Is Deriv secretly designed to make you lose? Think about it. You deposit $10, you lose it. You deposit another 20, you lose again. Then you start wondering, is this platform manipulating my trades? Is Deriv against me? Is it even possible to win consistently? Well, today we are going to answer that question honestly. And by the end of the video, you will know whether the problem is actually Deriv or something else that most traders completely ignore. As we start out, welcome you to DerivNavigatorAcademy. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you become a smarter and more disciplined Deriv trader through tutorials, strategy breakdowns, psychology, and practical lessons. Now, if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing because we post videos like this every single day or every single week, okay? All right, let us get directly into it. Number one, why so many people think Deriv is rigged? Let us be honest, all right? Almost every trader has had this moment, all right? The moment where your trade loses by just one digit, or you increase your stake after several losses only to lose again, or you finally switch the prediction and suddenly the market starts doing exactly what you expected before. It feels personal, and please underline personal. And when this happens repeatedly, it is easy to conclude that Deriv is somehow targeting your account. But feelings and facts are not always the same thing. Now, what is really happening? Now, here is something many beginners don't realize. Every trade you take has a mathematical probability behind it, all right? For example, if you're trading even odd, there is no promise that wins and losses must alternate, okay? You can see 5 events in a row, 8 odds in a row, even 10 consecutive identical outcomes. It looks strange, but statistically, streaks happen. The same applies to over-under, matches and differs, and many other contracts. Random doesn't always look random. Sometimes randomness creates patterns that trick your brain into thinking something is wrong. And please, if you are able, that is why we have strategies that usually take advantage of those patterns, all right? So that is really important. You have to have a good strategy, all right? Yeah, because if you just come and think about and start thinking that the market is even and then odd and then over and then under, and then you think that since the market has been even for this trade, the next one must be odd, you'll be in trouble, all right? Number 3, the real reason most people lose. So if Deriv isn't secretly designed to make you lose, why do so many traders lose money? Here are some of the common reasons. Number 1, as I've always repeated, overtrading. Many people keep trading simply because they are bored. Instead of waiting for quality opportunities, they are taking every setup they see. More trades do not automatically mean more profits. Sometimes fewer trades produce better results. Number 2, chasing losses. This one destroys accounts. After losing, people double the stake, then lose again, then double again, and eventually one bad streak wipes out the account. That's not Deriv, that's poor risk management. Number 3, trading without a strategy. Some traders literally click randomly, literally, all right? 1 minute they are trading even odd, next minute they are trading over under, then rise and fall, then volatility indices without any clear plan. If you don't have rules, your emotions become your strategy. And emotions are very, very expensive in trading, okay? And this also goes to those individuals who use, I've seen bots I've seen some people showcasing bots that trade everything at once. You find that this bot goes to over 1, then over 8, then under 2, and then it recovers to the even odd, and then it goes to rise and fall. No, don't do that, okay? Yeah, trading without a strategy is literally planning for doom in Deriv, okay? Number 4, and this one has actually now affected a lot of you. Unrealistic expectations, okay? Many beginners think they'll turn $10 to 10,000 in a few days. So they risk far too much. 1 or 2 losses and the account is gone. Professional traders please focus on consistency, not miracles, okay? Yeah, actually, this was one of the things that affected me when I was starting because I could see people growing from 10 to 1,000. From $1, I actually saw somebody when I was starting out growing the account from $1 to, 696. And let me tell you, I tried doing that and I blew my account so many times, I cannot even count, okay? Yeah, so please do not have any unrealistic expectations, okay? Now, let us go to this other question, which is now is very important. Does Deriv benefit when you lose? Now, this is a very interesting question, okay? Like most trading platforms, Deriv earns revenue from the trading activity that takes place in the platform. That does not automatically mean the platform needs any particular individual trader to lose. If traders never come back because they believed the platform was unfair, that would hurt the business in the long run. Okay, think about it. All right. The bigger issue is that many traders arrive without education, without discipline, and without any risk management, and that combination alone is enough to produce losses. Okay. Yeah, and that is, yeah, if you come here, if you come to Deriv or any other broker, any other trading platform in the world, you go without any education on how to trade, how to use that platform, without any discipline in terms of taking your trades, and without any risk management, that is how you just produce losses, okay? Yeah, so what should you do instead, all right? Instead of asking, is Deriv trying to make me lose? Start asking better questions. Am I following a strategy? Am I risking too much? Am I entering trades based on rules or emotions? Am I keeping a trading journal? And am I learning from every loss? Those questions will improve your trading far more than looking for hidden conspiracies. So, is Deriv secretly designed to make you lose? Based on evidence, there is no proof that the platform is secretly targeting individual traders. What usually causes losses is poor discipline, unrealistic expectations, lack of strategy, and weak risk management. The good news, those are things that you can actually improve. And once you improve them, your trading decisions become much better. And will you still lose trades? Absolutely, yes. Every trader loses trades, okay? The goal isn't to eliminate losses. The goal is to manage them so that they don't destroy your account, okay? If you found this video helpful, leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever felt like Deriv was against you? What changed your mind, or what still makes you skeptical? I'd love to hear your experience. And if you're serious about becoming a better Deriv trader, make sure you subscribe to this channel, to Deriv Navigator Academy. We have got plenty of videos on strategies, trading psychology, and risk management that can help you make informed decisions. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.